Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex and that's Tiger Shark. And today I want to show you this 15 pieces COOCRAFT kitchen set, knife set actually, that is made of high carbon stainless steel. And I'm going to show you each one of the pieces in a few seconds. But first I want to talk about the quality. So quality wise, it comes with this heavy block that will hold all the pieces. And it also comes with this rubber pads at the bottom for avoid like moving it if you put it like in your kitchen countertop. And then I want to talk about the actual quality of the grip. So look at this. It's kind of like made of a leather pattern instead of like plastic or something like that, which gives you a really nice grip. Also, the knife blade, as you can see, has this diamond pattern, which makes it non-sticky to everything that you're cutting. So that's really nice. And again, high carbon stainless steel. And this is how it looks, each one of the knives. Okay, camera just focus there so you can see the leather pattern and the actual diamond shape. Let me actually show you the Santoku knife, and all these blades are dishwasher safe, so you can put it in the dishwasher, no issue. So let's quickly talk about the accessories. It also comes with this measurement cups that you can actually take this locking system, and you can have all these cups as well as the big one, and you can just unlock it like that, and you have all these cups for measurement purposes on your recipes. And it also comes with a pair of scissors, which are really nice, and you have the bottle opener right here as well. And another really good thing it comes with a knife sharpener. So you can do this before cutting your favorite meat or something like that, and you could just like sharpen it. That's really, really cool. So it comes with a chef knife, as you can see right here. No issues at all. That's perfect. It also comes with a Santoku knife, as well as the bread knife. And as you can see here, it comes with the slicing knife, the utility knife, and the paring knife as well. And last but not least, 6 of these steak knives, which are serrated on the tip and has a really nice grip for a steak knife. So again, I think this is a really nice entry-level block of kitchen knives, and it's super elegant, versatile. It comes with really nice amount of accessories like the measurement cups, the scissors, and also the block and the sharpener as well right here. It comes with all the knives you need for display or also your favorite recipes. So I do like it, I do recommend it, I like the quality of this product. So my thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.